In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Snapchat. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to your profile right here, and then we're going to tap the gear icon at the top. Now down below, you can go ahead and scroll down and you shall be able to see notifications. Go ahead and click that. Now from here, there are different notifications that you can turn off. For example, you can go ahead and turn off the stories from friends, or you can go ahead and turn off friend suggestions, mentions, memories, and basically anything from here. Now say for example, you want to permanently turn off everything here, you can just go ahead and close this one, and then you're going to head over to your settings. Here in the settings, I want you to head over to notifications, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the app itself. So it's going to be Snapchat. All right, there you go. I can go ahead and click this one right here and then disable this one. So basically what we have done is turn off notifications entirely for Snapchat. And that is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.